How to combine files in Google Drive into one folder. So if you want to combine files in Google Drive into one folder, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google Drive. After opening, you can go with the plus which is on the bottom right and then tap on folder, and here you need to give a name to the folder. After that, go with create. Once you've created, you will have the folders right here. Now what you need to do is just simply tap on your folder and then again tap on the plus which is on the bottom right, and then tap on upload, and here you need to select your multiple files. So I'm just simply go and select some files like these 3 files. After that, go with select which is on the top right, and as you can see, all of those have started uploading to the folder that I've just created. So within that one folder, I have many files right here. In this way, you'll be able to combine files in your Google Drive into one folder, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.